Good people often don't realize that they're saying and doing things that can escalate a situation. I'm John, president and founder of General Response, a consulting company that specializes in traveling around the country conducting very dynamic, realistic conflict de-escalation training seminars. I was recently having a conversation with a gentleman who was sharing with me an experience he had. He observed an individual who he was convinced was taking photos and videos of children. I believe this was an outdoor environment. He approaches this individual and asks, demands to see their phone, which of course they refused to hand over. And this person that I was talking to says that he took this phone from this other person and kept it away from them as he went through the phone and deleted images. Folks, you cannot just assume something evil is going on and nefarious is going on and go and do this, because this other individual doesn't have to admit to you or say anything to you or explain to you something to along the lines of, you know what, my child's in the hospital dying of cancer and just wanted me to come and take a video or photos of the friends that they play with at this park all the time. They don't have to explain themselves. And also, they absolutely have a right to defend themselves when someone like you, a stranger, comes up and starts trying to take their property. And so, if nothing else, we have number one, by this individual's admission and probably witness testimony, he basically assaulted another person with some force, took their property from them, which is a larceny, and then basically admitted to destroying creative and intellectual property in the destruction of these image files, which may or may not have been evidence. I don't know. You deleted them. And so based on those facts, who's actually going to get in trouble here? Folks, slow down, take a deep breath, and really assess the situation. Are you even trained and equipped to handle such a situation? Yes, your heart's in the right place. We want to protect children and all that, but you can't just go and confront another human being in such a manner because you may be wrong. Call the police, be a great witness, update them as the police are responding. Hey, the person is now getting into a gray car and they now just went north on Oakland Drive, or something like that. Let the police, who are trained and equipped to do the investigation for such things, do their job. But don't put yourself in a situation where you say and do things, no matter how well-intentioned, that could escalate a situation and put you in jeopardy. Worst case scenario, what if it is a pedophile? And while you've got your head buried in their phone looking at these photo images, they pull out a gun and pop you in the back of the head. Was it really worth it? Folks, slow down, take a deep breath, really assess the situation. Don't go rushing into a situation that you're not prepared for, didn't even think things through. Don't get yourself hurt. Hit that like and subscribe button.